Happy New Year! 2023 was a wild ride in AI, and I predict that 2024 will be even more thrilling. We've seen incredible advancements in the artificial intelligence domain this past year, encompassing diverse aspects from machine learning to robotics. But what does the future hold? It's time to explore what 2024 has in store for us in the fascinating realm of AI. With new technological breakthroughs on the horizon, the possibilities are truly endless. One such prediction comes from a noteworthy authority in this field, Dr. Jim Fan, an esteemed senior research scientist at NVIDIA. He has shared his insights about the upcoming year, declaring that it's going to be a monumental one. Let's unravel what he means by this, as he says this year will be epic. My predictions are based on information I've gathered over the past year. The world is evolving faster than ever before. The pace of technological advancement has increased exponentially, often surpassing my projected timelines. This rapid progress opens up new possibilities, especially in the field of artificial intelligence. Looking ahead to 2024, I foresee significant strides in AI development. Expect remarkable progress in language models and chatbots. They will be designed to cater to individual preferences and seamlessly integrated into routine tasks. This will revolutionize how we manage our emails, calendars, and content creation. AI assistants expect highly personalized large language models and chatbots tailored to individual needs, integrated into daily tasks like email, calendar, and content creation. AI video generation anticipates significant advancements in AI-generated videos. In a world where technology is rapidly evolving, one of the most anticipated advancements is within the realm of AI-generated videos. The transformative power of AI cannot be understated. From educational tutorials to innovative marketing campaigns, these AI-generated videos are set to create a seismic shift in the way we consume and interpret visual content. They are expected to offer premium quality visuals that are indistinguishable from those shot with high-end cameras, with detail and clarity that is nothing short of astonishing. The field of videography will be revolutionized as this technology blurs the line between AI and human capabilities. The ability of AI to generate seamless and realistic videos is not just a testament to the power of AI, but also a glimpse into a future where AI dominates the visual media landscape. Anticipate significant advancements in AI-generated videos with quality indistinguishable from camera-shot videos. AI in education. AOIE could revolutionize education with personalized learning experiences, catering to individual learning styles. Imagine the limitless potential of a classroom where every student is catered to individually. With AI, education could transform beyond the traditional teaching methods. This promising technology could be the key to unlocking each student's full potential. It could dynamically adapt to each learner's pace and style, providing a curriculum that evolves in real time. Picture an environment where students are not left behind due to the rigidity of the system. A place where every child's educational journey is as unique as they are, where learning is a tailored experience. AI in education could mean a departure from one-size-fits-all teaching and a move towards truly personalized education. This technology not only promises a future of individualized learning, but also a brighter future for the next generation. AI could revolutionize education with personalized learning experiences catering to individual learning styles. AI in healthcare. AI, short for artificial intelligence, is expected to play a major role in revolutionizing the field of healthcare. It has the potential to reshape every aspect of patient care, from diagnosis to treatment. Accelerating the pace of medical diagnoses is one of the critical areas where AI is expected to make significant contributions. Leveraging AI can lead to quicker and more accurate diagnoses, reducing the time patients spend waiting for results, and potentially saving lives. Furthermore, AI has vast potential in the realm of drug discovery. It can analyze large volumes of data to identify potential drug candidates, significantly reducing the time and cost of drug development. Having the ability to utilize vast data sets, AI can provide tremendously accurate results, advancing the field of medical science. AI's role in drug discovery and diagnoses is only the beginning, and we are on the brink of a healthcare revolution. Gaming advances. Expect AI-driven NPCs in games for unique player experiences. This is an era where the boundaries between the real and virtual are becoming increasingly blurred. Artificial intelligence has progressively become an integral part of our lives, and now it's about to revolutionize the gaming industry. Game developers are leveraging AI technology to create compelling NPCs, non-player characters, designed to provide an unparalleled level of immersion. These intelligent beings can learn, adapt, and respond to different playing styles, making each player's journey truly unique. Moreover, we are witnessing the rise of AI-generated art in games. This technology harnesses the power of AI to create intricate designs and stunning visuals that were once thought impossible. It's redefining the aesthetics of gaming, making every game world vibrant and lifelike. The rise of AI-generated game art. AI influencers. The rise of AI influencers will continue, marking a significant evolution in the digital world. This phenomenon is on an upward trajectory, fueling the world's curiosity like never before. AI influencers, with their artificially generated personas, are already blending seamlessly into the social media landscape. They are no longer just a concept, they are becoming a mainstream reality. With the advent of more sophisticated technology, we are witnessing the creation of more realistic AI-generated videos and images. These digital entities are starting to engage audiences, shaping trends and redefining traditional celebrity culture. They are undeniably reshaping our perception of influence. The power of AI influencers is real and growing. It's the dawn of a new era. With every passing day, the incorporation of AI in creating influencers is becoming more prevalent and more accepted. The rise of AI influencers will continue, with more realistic AI-generated videos and images. Robotics advancements. Peer into the future with our exploration of the latest innovations. Expect not just marvels of metal and silicon, but beings that imitate the human form with unnerving precision. Increasingly, these humanoid robots are blurring the line between man and machine, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's not just about human-like appearances either. These sophisticated creations are capable of intricate tasks, sophisticated problem-solving, and even complex emotional interactions. On another front, the realm of self-driving vehicles is undergoing similar leaps and bounds in progress. The concept of vehicles maneuvering themselves without human intervention is no longer a figment of imagination. With stunning advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensor technology, these self-driving vehicles are becoming more efficient, safe, and ubiquitous. They're converting our roads into a network of intelligent mobility, rewriting the rules of transportation. Look for more humanoid robots and self-driving vehicle improvements. Legal battles. Anticipate more lawsuits around AI's impact on traditional industries like news and media. The legal landscape is rapidly evolving with the advancement of artificial intelligence technologies. It's not just about the software and algorithms, but also the consequences and implications that these technologies bring to industries that have been around for centuries. The news and media industry, for example, has always thrived on human instinct and judgment. But with AI's entry, traditional roles are being questioned. The legal conundrums that arise are both fascinating and complex. Who is held accountable if something goes wrong, the human or the AI? Is AI infringing on jobs that were traditionally human? These and many other questions are being raised in courtrooms across the globe, prompting us to redefine our legal boundaries. Anticipate more lawsuits around AI's impact on traditional industries like news and media. Open source versus closed source AI debate. This is a contentious topic that has been making waves in the tech industry. The crux of the discussion revolves around essential facets such as ethics, biases, and data privacy. Open source AI, hailed for its flexibility and transparency, allows for collective contributions and improvements. This, however, can increase the risk of data exploitation. Closed source AI, on the other hand, offers more control and security but lacks transparency. Some argue that it can also lead to hidden biases. As we traverse further into the digital era, this debate continues. The question that hangs in the balance is, are we sacrificing ethics and biases for data privacy? XSR, AR, VR developments. Expect significant strides in augmented and virtual reality technologies. As we delve deeper into the digital age, these immersive technologies are destined to revolutionize our everyday lives. Augmented reality will bridge the gap between the virtual and the real, overlaying digital information onto our physical world. Imagine viewing a new city through the lens of AR, with pop-up information about landmarks, restaurants, and history. On the other side, virtual reality will transport us into entirely new realms, offering experiences beyond our physical constraints. Whether it's exploring distant galaxies or diving deep beneath our oceans, these experiences are set to become more real and immersive than ever before. From education to entertainment, healthcare to tourism, these technologies will redefine our future. Our understanding of reality is about to shift dramatically. The future is now, and it's augmented and virtual. XR, AR, VR developments expect significant strides in augmented and virtual reality technologies. So, those are my AI predictions for 2024. Artificial intelligence, in its glorious growth, continues to enthrall us, doesn't it? These predictions seem speculative, yet they are threaded with a hint of reality that is undeniably thrilling. Just a speculation today can become a reality tomorrow. We are living in an era where it's advancing at a rapid pace, and AI is at the forefront of this evolution. It's exhilarating to ponder the possibilities, to imagine the potential outcomes. And while we're on the brink of unprecedented advancements, I hope you will accompany us on this journey. If you found this video insightful, please subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. We have more interesting AI news and detailed tutorials that I'm sure you will find intriguing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.